Peace, 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 soil friends. I harvested lots of corn today and they were ready. They were milky. I do want to see how juicy and full they are. Some of them are big, some of them are skinny, some of them are tall, some are short, just like us humans. They all in different sizes and shapes, but I bet you they gonna be delicious. Happy gardening, peace and blessings. Happy Monday, happy new week, happy new month. We're in November and I already am harvesting all this corn and all these goodies out of the garden. Summertime truly did pay off, even though it was very hot and brutal. It paid off. I don't think there was any more corns. Now that Halloween has passed, it's time to take the Halloween decor out. And I think I had just about one thing. I'm gonna leave the scarecrows because they're super cute. But we'll put you away till next year. Oh, I forgot to grab that zucchini. I'll have to wipe this off and put it inside. Let's see here. Peace and blessings, peace and blessings, peace and blessings, soil friends. If you're new here on our channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Manquisha. I am your soil friend here in Zone 9B, Arizona. And we're trying to grow our own food. At least we're trying to master growing our own food. So welcome to our channel 357 Gardening. And if you are new here and you're a soil friend or a soil green thumb person, come on and check us out. Let's connect. Let's help each other grow. I'm gonna grab this. Let's help each other grow. So I am a container gardener and also growing in ground. And I'm out here in the low desert of Arizona growing our food from seed, from starter plants, from plants given to us from other friends and family. We got some trees gifted to us from friends, and you know, we're just trying to create a homestead for ourselves. Look at this Roselle hibiscus. Started these two plants from seed. I got that one from the swap meet last fall and we thought it was edible, but it's not. Some seedlings in here that are gonna start making their way into the garden. This basil right here is taking over, so I'm gonna pull that up and possibly pull up that basil over there. I was waiting for it to go to seed. I don't have any seeds on them. I don't think I have. Oh, I can see the seeds coming in. So maybe I'll finish letting them go to seed so I can collect. Because that purple basil was very pretty and delicious. It was good for a refresher in the drink. I didn't try it in my tea. I just did a refresher, like a watermelon refresher with that purple basil. So now that heat is gone, soil friends, we have lots of food producing. I've been harvesting tons and tons of eggplants. They keep growing. The bell peppers are finally starting to come in, which is super cool because I didn't get many peppers for summer here in Zone 9B, Low Desert, Arizona, because it gets so brutally hot here. But I'm happy to see everything else taking off and producing now. We did harvest our first pumpkins, and we have so many more in the garden. I gave away a pumpkin too to our sweet friend, Leisha, and her family. So that's how the garden's looking right now. And I want to check this corn to see what else was in the basket. Squash and, oh, this is the little cantaloupe. I took it off the vine. I don't know if it's going to be any good to eat, but we'll look at it and see. There's an okra in there. So I want to open up the corn though. So let's see how they look. So soil friends, I thought I was recording just now and I wasn't recording. So I've already opened up 4 of the corns, and I'm saving the silks. They can be used for tea. I'm not sure what the benefits are, y'all. I just found out you can use the silks for tea. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna do research and see what they're packed with. Can't believe I was sitting here talking and I wasn't recording. That's horrible. But like I was saying, when I thought I was recording, I'm so sorry, y'all. I thought that I was recording and I wasn't. But we did not get to show y'all me actually picking these because it was so just last minute. I didn't check them over the weekend, and today is Monday. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to check the corn. So we just hurry up and harvested them. And I said, well, let me show them how they look at least. We can do that together. So I'm excited to see what these silks are packed with, the corn silks. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna let them dry in the mason jar. That one looks a little beat up. And there's still more corn to get. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Gonna compost all of the husk and all that. This didn't come from the grocery store. It came from the backyard, and that is so sweet. So I'm gonna finish picking those, soil friends. And I have a few things that I need to do before I get ready for work. But I'm super, super excited that food is producing. It makes me so happy that food is actually producing out of the garden. And I'm just super excited. So I got a couple of squash. My summer squash was done, so I had to harvest the last one. So this was my last summer squash. All that means is the season is changing and that summer squash can't produce because the weather's getting cooler. And I have lots of corn, different types of zucchini. So happy gardening, y'all. Thanks for being here. If you're new, subscribe. Tell your friends to check out the video. Inspire someone to garden. Let's connect if you're a gardener, no matter where you are. I think it's such a beautiful thing. We're like one big happy family, just growing and learning together. Let me know where you're watching from, what zone. Give us a like. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified when we upload more videos. Peace. Happy gardening, y'all.